Sulaiman, अम्मा क्या खा रहे? लिकरिश खा रहे?
Licorice cut, love you.
Oh, you know what he said today, Zubair? He said Abba.
हाँ
Yeah.
बाप बोले
Yeah.
माम भी बोले थे ना जब सुबह में
Oh yeah, he did, didn't he?
just eat this 1.5 here.
He said Abba, and Papa was right there too. He was smiling. Papa got so happy. Sulaiman?
Okay. He's trying to bite it down like I am.
John, take it out.
John, I got a hold of it. He's enjoying it, John.
Let's go there.
Sulaiman.
उसके बुज्जे में दर्द है Zubair,
You
नक्को.
can't eat it.
I know, but the flavor.
If he didn't like the flavor, he wouldn't be taking it in. John.
He takes anything in. Like Mariam. Remember she had a popcorn?
Yeah, but that she was actually eating. The side of that is good. He's like, this darn thing. I'm biting it. And I can like just slide it out of his hand.
I know. Sulaiman? क्या हो रहा baby?
He's like, I'm putting this thing in.
Huh?
What's going on with this thing?
क्या हो रहा?
Dad क्यों हो गई ना? Dad भी लड्डू को खा लेते हैं. I broke some off the babies.
Take the whole thing. Yeah.
I wonder what he'll do if I take it out of his hand though.
Take it, let's see what he does.
Okay, let me finish eating this.
जल्दी करो.
He's playing with it, man. He's going for his toes.
That's okay.
Oh, now he's gonna touch my face.
Like, where is it, Dad?
Sulaiman? Yeah, I know.
Oh, don't show it to him.
Oh, look at the mouth. This major ne kha liya.
He's just burping down. Now, could use a burst, please.
Neither will me.
Don't tease him either, the flavoring and everything. Let's do Tozy Cobb. Yeah.
Like that's not gonna hurt him?
It's okay.
Those are some stinky toes, eh? Okay. Mr. Baby Gap. Whoops, oh, so he poked himself in the eye.